In this video, we're going to spotlight 5 RWA crypto altcoins that could potentially skyrocket by 25 to 200 times by 2025. Since late 2023, AI and real-world assets, RWAs, have emerged as key themes expected to fuel the next big bull run in the crypto market. RWAs are a special category of blockchain-based tokens that represent real-world assets like bonds, real estate, and commodities. By 2030, experts predict the RWA market could reach a staggering $4 trillion, while the AI market might hit $700 billion. A great example of this growing interest is BlackRock's recent move. They teamed up with Securitize to launch the BlackRock USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, which signifies BlackRock's $100 million investment into tokenized assets via the USDC stablecoin on Ethereum. This fund, which focuses on cash, U.S. Treasury bills, and repurchase agreements, has already attracted over $240 million since it started. BlackRock's foray into RWAs is expected to significantly boost the popularity of RWA altcoins. Before diving into the specific altcoins, I want to point out that these coins have very small market caps, making them highly volatile. The money I've invested in them is money I can afford to lose without regrets. Remember, this isn't financial advice, just my thoughts and observations. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Our first RWA project to highlight is Swarm Markets, which bills itself as the world's first licensed DeFi platform, regulated by the German Federal Financial Supervisory Authority, BaFin. Swarm Markets is designed as a compliant automated market maker, AMM-based decentralized exchange, DEX, on Ethereum. It's geared towards both institutional and individual investors who want a safer way to get involved in DeFi. The platform supports a variety of tokens, including crypto assets and tokenized real-world assets, RWAs. Swarm Markets was one of the early birds in the tokenized RWA segment, making its entry back in 2021. They managed to attract up to 250 liquidity providers who pledged a total of $15 million, and they launched the first version of their DEX on Ethereum. Fast forward to 2024, Swarm Markets now authorizes a range of tokens for listing, including tokenized stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia. So, how does Swarm Markets operate? It uses an AMM model similar to popular DeFi platforms like Uniswap, Balancer, and Curve, but it's unique in that it targets investors wanting to trade on-chain tokens representing a wide range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and commodities. Liquidity providers contribute ERC20 tokens, representing both crypto assets and securities, to liquidity pools that traders can then swap. Participation in Swarm Markets requires going through a Know Your Customer (KYC) process linked to a self-custodial crypto wallet, such as MetaMask or Ledger. They also offer business accounts for institutional investors and operate a permissionless, decentralized, over-the-counter OTC trading service for those looking to execute large on-chain transactions. However, due to legal restrictions, Swarm Markets isn't available everywhere. It doesn't service U.S. residents, but it is accessible to people in many European, Asian, and Latin American countries. Despite these limitations, Swarm Markets has seen significant growth, with its token, SMT, currently holding a market cap of $25 million. There's strong belief that SMT has the potential to reach a market cap of at least $3 billion in the future, which would be a remarkable 120x increase. Our second altcoin in this video is Ondo, the biggest RWA project currently making waves. We first spotlighted Ondo when its market cap was $800 million, and it has now nearly hit $2 billion. So why is Ondo such a big deal? Well, stablecoins have become essential because they bridge traditional finance with the digital asset space, providing a stable medium of exchange in a notoriously volatile market. In this evolving landscape, Ondo Finance is carving out its niche by revolutionizing real-world assets with innovative products. Their approach centers on tokenizing stable, income-generating assets from the traditional financial world, merging the best of both worlds. The reliability of traditional finance with the efficiency and accessibility of blockchain technology. Ondo Finance operates through two main arms: The asset management arm creates and oversees tokenized financial products that emulate traditional financial instruments but leverage blockchain's benefits. Meanwhile, the technology arm develops decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols essential for the functioning and scalability of Ondo's offerings. A distinctive aspect of Ondo's approach is that their protocols, once established, operate independently. Governance and web interfaces are managed by separate entities, not controlled by Ondo, showcasing their commitment to creating truly decentralized and autonomous financial ecosystems. In the volatile realm of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Ondo addresses these concerns by collaborating with established partners like BlackRock, Citi, JP Morgan, and State Street. For instance, the OUSG fund, managed in partnership with these entities, exemplifies Ondo's commitment to quality and security. Additionally, using Coinbase for crypto asset custody further reinforces this commitment. Currently, Ondo has a market cap of $1.5 billion, and we believe it has the potential to reach at least $60 billion in the future. That's a remarkable 40x from where it stands now. Our third RWA project to highlight is Realio. The Realio network is a comprehensive software as a service, SaaS platform operating in the cutting-edge blockchain space. Its main goal is to merge sophisticated enterprise-grade blockchain technology with top-quality investment opportunities. Realio runs on both the Ethereum and Arbitrum networks, known for their reliability and versatility, ensuring a robust environment for various digital asset activities. The Realio network is built on four foundational pillars: fiat and cryptocurrency payment services, crypto trading services, crypto economic services, and community services. These components work together to create a well-rounded platform that caters to the diverse needs of its users. To enhance usability and functionality, Realio offers a wide range of features, including a decentralized exchange, a secure wallet, a tokenization engine for asset digitization, a compliance engine to ensure regulatory adherence, and a smart contract engine. These features enable users to engage in a broad spectrum of digital asset activities. One of Realio's standout features is making investing in real-world assets, like real estate and company shares, more accessible through fractional ownership with security tokens. The prospects of decentralized real estate through blockchain technology are exciting, as it enables fractional asset ownership, passive income, and easy liquidity access. Blockchain security and transparency improve trust, something traditional real estate investments often lack. The tokenization process is simple and efficient, and major institutions have acknowledged its transformative impact on traditional markets. Realio currently has a market cap of $10 million, but we believe it has the potential to reach at least $2 billion in a bull run. That's a crazy 200x from here. With the Realio network leading the way in this innovative investment method, the future of real estate looks brighter than ever. Our fourth project to highlight is Centrifuge. The main goal of Centrifuge is to connect DeFi with real-world assets, aiming to lower the cost of capital and significantly benefit small and mid-sized enterprises. This also provides investors with a more stable income source. Instead of dealing with the volatility of cryptocurrencies, Centrifuge enables users to generate profits not tied to crypto assets. Essentially, it aims to transfer real monetary value from the fiat industry to the cryptocurrency sector. Centrifuge grants access to DeFi liquidity without relying on volatile cryptocurrencies, which is especially beneficial for companies that want to use crypto but don't want to expose their funds to the risk of devaluation. It provides liquidity to everyone, linking assets like real estate, invoices, royalties, and more with DeFi. Borrowers can also use Centrifuge to finance their real assets without relying on banks and other financial institutions. One of the key features of Centrifuge is its use of smart contracts to automate DeFi procedures. This makes the processes more affordable and transparent, with no hidden fees. Users can also profit through staking their assets, which requires no effort or knowledge. Just lock up your coins and receive regular rewards for supporting the project. Centrifuge tokenizes real-world assets by converting them into NFTs, which are then integrated into the blockchain world. These NFTs are funded via TinLake, Centrifuge's first DApp designed to access liquidity on Ethereum. Tokenized assets like business stakes, loans, or physical assets can be freely transferred and used across the extensive DeFi ecosystem. TinLake also empowers stablecoin issuers to provide stable value stores backed by collateralized asset pools. Given that investors have different risk-reward profiles, the Centrifuge TinLake DApp offers a way for users to invest in the same asset through different investment classes. Centrifuge currently has a market cap of $300 million, but we believe it has the potential to reach at least $10 billion in the future. That's a remarkable 33x from where it stands now. Last but not least, we have Clearpool, our fifth highlighted project. Clearpool stands out as the world's first decentralized credit marketplace, revolutionizing how loans are processed through its innovative DII protocols. It operates across various networks, giving investors the freedom to pick and choose which loan requests they want to support. At its core, Clearpool acts as a crucial link between institutional borrowers and lenders. Lenders can contribute their digital assets to specific borrower pools, where they have full control over which borrowers they support and the level of risk they're comfortable with. This control is bolstered by detailed borrower profiles, helping lenders make informed decisions. One of the key benefits for lenders using Clearpool is the potential for higher interest rates and returns, especially when providing liquidity to higher-risk borrower pools. To participate in Clearpool as either a borrower or lender, users need to hold CPool tokens. Borrowers utilize these tokens to set up their borrower pools, while lenders stake them to earn interest on their contributions. Clearpool leverages blockchain technology to streamline the lending process. By creating single borrower pools and assessing risks based on borrower profiles and market dynamics, it ensures transparency and efficiency. This approach not only simplifies the lending experience, but also provides lenders with a clear view of their investment potential. Since its launch in early 2022 with backing from major entities like FBG Capital, Wintermute, and Folkwang, Clearpool has evolved significantly. It introduced features like multi-asset pools, staking improvements, and Clearpool Prime, enhancing yield opportunities. Moving into 2024, Clearpool continues to innovate with term pools, credit vaults, and new fintech borrower chains, expanding its capabilities across different markets. Currently valued at $130 million, Clearpool has ambitious growth projections. In a bullish market scenario, it could potentially reach a market cap of $8 billion, highlighting its strong market confidence and potential for substantial growth. In summary, Clearpool represents a pioneering step towards decentralized finance in the lending sector. With its user-friendly features, ongoing enhancements, and significant market potential, Clearpool is set to redefine how financial transactions are conducted in the crypto space. All right, if you guys did find this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe our channel for more useful content in the future. Thanks for watching, and feel free to let us know your perspectives in the comments section. One more time, we're Whiteboard Invest Crew, and welcome on board, my friends. Peace out.